Hi guys, CJ here from Tech, and today we're here with an unboxing and hands-on video. This time, we have the Nubia V70 Design. From what we've gathered, this is an entry-level device that stands out with, well, different designs, as the name suggests. Plus, the material for the phone differs depending on the color option you get. So, without further ado, let's dive right in and see what we end up getting. Okay. Let's unbox this guy. Hi there. Alright, so if we unbox it, we get, well, we have the phone itself wrapped in its plastic covering that has the usual major specs. Drum roll, please. The phone itself. So we have a glittery back panel with some shining, shimmering splendids on it. I'm turning the device on now, and let's see what else is inside. Inside is its jelly case. It's a rubber jelly case. So you can have some safety in it with your phone. And the warranty card with the little usual manuals. Okay, after that, you get your charging brick and your USB Type-C charger. And of course, you have a SIM ejector pin. So the phone is still turning on. So we have the back panel. It's kind of smudge prone. So it's better if you put the rubber case for extra protection and for your prints to be out of the way. If I can put the case on. There we go. Well, before we flip the phone, we have the square rear camera island with 3 sensors and the LED flash and the words 50-megapixel AI camera written on it. So I'll assume that the main camera is a 50-megapixel. It kind of looks like the Tecno Spark 20 or an iPhone 15 Pro Max actually. Okay, so we have the usual volume and power button here on the right side. Oh, a 3.5mm audio port, a Type-C, and the speaker on the bottom. Is that the mic, I guess? Is it a mic or an IR blaster? I will find out soon. And of course, we have... Oh, there's the SIM card tray right there on the left side. Actually, I'm kind of curious. Does it have a dual SIM card tray or a micro SD card slot? Ooh. Oh, it's both. At least you have choices now. So if you need extra storage, get this guy. Okay, let's snap you back. So if we check what the phone looks like, and dang, the bezels are kind of thick for my liking though. If I open the phone and just scroll around, it's not that bad. Despite being an IPS LCD display, it's pretty good. Let's hear what this puppy sounds like. There we go. Ah, it's a mono speaker. It's pretty loud. But it is a mono speaker, so once you cover this, that's it. Okay, as for cameras, let's test it out. But if anyone's curious, we have a 50-megapixel main shooter with 2 unspecified auxiliary sensors. It's also equipped with a 16-megapixel camera at the front for selfies. Hi, this is the Nubia V70 Designs front camera sample. This is what it looks like. Say hi, Doy. And this is the back camera. I'm not used to doing the back ones like these, but it works. Well, after looking, it seems that the Nubia V70 Design also has MyOS 14 skinned with Android 14, a 5000 mAh battery with 22.5 wired charging support through USB Type-C. It's a 4G phone sadly, so no 5G here, but it has Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5 support. So after all that, how much is the Nubia V70 Design? It costs 5,299 pesos. Interested viewers can go ahead and find this online at Nubia's official Shopee store. And as mentioned at the start of this video, the material of the phone varies on what color you get. I should let you guys know that our review model shares the same glass panel as the pink one. So this is the black model. The phone's also available in orange and green with a vegan leather back panel. Should any viewers want to know how this phone performs in battery life, gaming, and the like, stay tuned for a written review. You can find that in yugatech.com. But hey, that wraps up our video for today. Let us know what you guys think of the Nubia V70 design in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like. Subscribe and hit that notification bell to see more of our content. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Again, I'm CJ, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye! See you later! Bye!